In this lesson, we just want to simulate the substitution that we defined previously to check if it was defined correctly and it's working. So let's just click on the line of our second substitution, and let's just come to the top and click simulate. Of course, we have the compiling of the code, and now let's enter a combination that it's a valid combination in accordance to the prerequisites that we define, so we see and we evaluate if it's working. So for this, we will use general ledger account 41 000 550, and for example, in the material number, just the ID of the material, let's enter T-R101. Now, well, as we know, this is a combination that is true, so we will enter just whatever profit center that comes to mind, for example, this one. But again, this is a wrong one, because with this combination of values, the actual profit center should be YB800. So to see if the system will replace the value, let's just click execute. And of course, as we can see, we have well, the condition is true, and that means that the substitution will come into effect, and well, that just means that the value for the profit center field will be now YB800. So well, that is exactly what we wanted. But of course, it's also important, as we have been saying, just to check if the opposite is not true. I mean, if one of the conditions is not met, then the system shouldn't run the substitution. So let's see. For that, well, we have to come back. And now we will enter just, for example, the account, the same one, which is like 41 000 550. But we will enter another material that is not in the sets that we created of materials. So this one is T-R150, and that's it. Here, let's enter again the profit center that is the correct one. And again, this one actually would be the correct, because with this combination, we don't have a valid substitution that will actually replace the value or something. So this should be the one that the system should not touch, and is the one that will get posted to. So let's see if that is true. So let's run the simulation again. And again, well, the condition is now false because the material is not in the set of values that we define. So with that, we know that our simulation is and our substitution is correctly working with both of these simulations. So we can just come back here to the main screen and quit the app, because with this we are finishing the lesson. And of course, we are just want to invite you to keep learning with all of our trainings.